Alam mo yung feeling na bigla ka nagkasakit, tapos wala kang HMO, walang backup, kahit simpleng check-up, ang gastos.
Tapos bata ka pa, iniisip mo, wala pa yan, malakas pa ako. Pero, until kailan?
Ang totoo, habang healthy at kumikita ka pa, that's the best time to get a Kaiser Health Savings Plan.
Exactly! Kasi kung kailan ka na may sakit, dun mo lang maisip na dapat pala kumuha ka na. Paano kung decline ka na sa application?
And Kaiser is not just a health plan, it's a long-term healthcare solution. Phase 1, may short-term healthcare at life insurance coverage ka. Phase 2, investment part, your money grows at 10% every year. Plus may dividends pa. Phase 3, lifetime healthcare. Kahit retired ka na, covered ka pa rin.
Grabe, di ba? Parang HMO, savings, at retirement plan sa isa.
Kung nagagawa mong mag-subscribe sa Netflix o bumili ng milk tea kada linggo, bakit hindi ka makapag-ipon para sa sarili mong kalusugan?
Health is wealth, pero dapat healthcare is prepared. Start young, start smart, start with Kaiser 3-in-1. Protect your future bago ka pa magkasakit. Alagang Kaiser, alaga ka kapatid.